In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Milwaukee. We'll be using the official Milwaukee Municipal Court website. And the process is fairly straightforward as long as your citation has already been filed with the court. If it hasn't shown up yet, you may need to wait a little longer before the system can locate it. To begin, go to the Milwaukee Municipal Court website. Once you're on the site, look for the payment section and select Make a Payment. This will take you to the online payment area where you can search for your case and move forward with paying your fine. On the payment page, you'll see a note explaining that if your citation has been filed with the court, you may pay your fine online, and there are no additional convenience fees. That's helpful to know before you continue. To start the search, the site allows you to look up your record using a case number, citation number, or name. In this example, we're choosing to search by citation number. If that's the information you have available, click on the citation number option to continue. This is often the fastest method because it takes you directly to the correct record if the number is entered accurately. Next, you'll be asked to agree to the information or terms shown on the screen. Take a moment to read through that page, then confirm your agreement so you can move on. This is a standard step on many court and government payment websites. After that, enter your citation number carefully in the search field. It's a good idea to double check the number before submitting it, especially if you're typing from a paper ticket. Even one incorrect digit can prevent the system from finding your record. Once the citation number is entered, click Search. The website will then look up the matching citation in the court system. If the ticket has been filed and the number was entered correctly, your case information should appear. From there, continue to the next step and follow the prompts on the screen to complete the payment process. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your case, but the website will guide you through what to review, confirm, and submit. As a final tip, make sure you're on the official Milwaukee Municipal Court website before entering any information, and keep a copy of your payment confirmation for your records once you're done. That's it. This is how to pay a traffic ticket online in Milwaukee.